The humid Caribbean air hung thick and sweet with the scent of mangoes as Tassel, beaming, raised her glass of vibrant guava juice. "To us," she declared, her voice clear and strong. Then all her cousins echoed her toast, their own glasses clinking in unison. Claudette, Nadine, Patsy, Christine, Moy, Kieran, Vivine, Peaches, Esther, Rita, even Charmaine, Rosie, and Sophie. All these women, master degrees earned with honors, and one shared dream realized. Their journey hadn't been easy. After graduation, scattered across the islands and even the mainland, they'd been tethered by crackling phone calls and late-night video chats. The goal? To escape the drudgery of corporate life and return to their roots, harnessing the bounty of their homeland. "Remember Auntie May's mango juice?" Vivine had reminisced one night, sparking the idea. Auntie May, their matriarch, was famous for her concoctions, blending fruits and herbs into elixirs that cured everything from a sniffle to minor grazes. Her legacy became their inspiration. Pooling their savings, they rented a small, sun-drenched building nestled between a banana plantation and a sugarcane field. Each cousin brought her unique skill to the table. Tassel and Vivine, the marketing whizzes, crafted a vibrant brand. Claudette, with her accounting degree, managed the finances. Nadine, the botany enthusiast, sourced the finest organic produce. Patsy, the self-taught engineer, designed their efficient juicing system. And so on, each playing a crucial role. Kieran, the logistics expert, navigated the complexities of shipping their freshly squeezed goodness to local markets. Christine, with her background in nutrition, ensured the juices were packed with vitamins and health benefits. Peaches, the artist, designed their eye-catching labels. Esther, with her culinary skills, experimented with innovative flavor combinations. Rita and Moy, the persuasive ones, secured partnerships with local restaurants and hotels. Even, with her understanding of chemistry, ensured the juices had a good shelf life. Charmaine, the community liaison, worked with local farmers to ensure a fair supply chain. Rosie, with her degree in law, handled the paperwork. Sophie, with her background in business administration, organized the whole thing to run smoothly. Initially, there were setbacks. Equipment malfunctions, unexpected weather that threatened their crops, and the challenge of competing with established juice companies. But the cousins, bound by their shared heritage and unwavering determination, persevered. Word spread like wildfire. "Auntie May's magic bottled!" customers exclaimed, drawn to the authentic flavors and the women's dedication to quality and sustainability. Their Sunshine Squeeze became a local favorite, and their business, for Teen Cousins Juice, flourished. Now, under the warm Caribbean sun, they toasted their success. They were more than just cousins. They were a team, a force, a living testament to the power of family, education, and the simple, revitalizing taste of natural juice. As the laughter and music filled the air, they knew Auntie May was smiling down on them, her legacy living on in every delicious sip.